Best way to eat chia seeds for gut health. Chia seeds are called a superfood, but eat them wrong and they'll constipate you instead of fixing your digestion. And the biggest question everyone gets wrong is this: should you eat chia seeds with water or mix them into yogurt? The answer could completely change your digestion. Most people toss chia seeds on top of a smoothie or yogurt. That's the biggest mistake. Depending on how you eat them, they can be your gut's best friend or your worst nightmare. If you've ever felt bloated, sluggish, or even constipated after eating chia seeds, it's not because they don't work. It's because you're using them the wrong way. In this video, I'll break down the best way to eat chia seeds for gut health, the science behind why, and which method, water or yogurt, actually wins. Let's start with the problem. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds pack 10 grams of fiber, a third of your daily need. But dry chia sucks up water in your stomach, swells like a sponge, and can slow digestion. That's why some people say they feel heavy or even get cramps after eating them. The challenge is figuring out how to eat chia seeds in a way that keeps their benefits, like better digestion, reduced inflammation, and balanced blood sugar, without causing side effects. So, should you eat chia seeds with water or with yogurt? Let's compare. Chia seeds with water. When you soak chia seeds in water, something magical happens. They form a gel-like texture. That gel, basically a jelly-like coating, works like a gentle broom inside your gut, feeding good bacteria and keeping things moving. Studies from the Journal of Food Science and Technology show that chia mucilage has prebiotic effects, meaning it helps healthy gut bacteria thrive. Here's how to do it. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, add them to a full glass of water, stir well, and let them sit for at least 20 minutes. Some people leave them overnight for an even thicker gel. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and you're basically giving your gut a gentle cleanse. But there's a catch. Not everyone loves the slimy texture. Some people say it feels like drinking frog eggs, and I get it. Plus, if you don't stir them enough or don't let them fully expand, they can clump together and make it hard to swallow. Hit that like button if gut health is something you want to improve, and subscribe because we break down natural, science-backed health tips every week that you won't want to miss. Chia seeds with yogurt. Now, let's talk yogurt. When you mix chia seeds into yogurt, you're getting a different kind of benefit. Yogurt, especially brands like Siggi's Icelandic yogurt or Fage Greek yogurt, is rich in probiotics, the good bacteria your gut needs to stay balanced. When you add chia seeds to it, you're combining probiotics from the yogurt with prebiotic fiber from the chia. That's a gut health powerhouse. Instead of just sliding through like chia water, the yogurt mix plants new good bacteria in your gut and feeds them at the same time. Plus, yogurt adds protein and calcium, which makes it a more filling snack. That's why so many people use it as a breakfast base. Here's how to do it. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to half a cup of yogurt, stir, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. This lets the chia absorb moisture from the yogurt and soften up. If you want to take it to another level, add a drizzle of honey and a handful of blueberries. Now you've got fiber, probiotics, antioxidants, and protein all in one. Here's the twist. Sometimes yogurt loses. Water takes the crown. This is where most people get it wrong. If your digestion is slow or you're struggling with constipation, chia with water is the winner. That gel moves things along and gives you a gentle detox effect. On the other hand, if you're trying to rebuild your gut bacteria, maybe after antibiotics, stress, or poor diet, chia with yogurt is the winner because it delivers both probiotics and prebiotics together. So really, it's not about picking one forever. It's about knowing when to use each. Water for cleansing, yogurt for feeding. Think of it like this. Chia water is the reset button. Chia yogurt is the builder. You need both. Extra tips. Always drink plenty of water with chia seeds. No matter how you eat them, fiber without water can backfire. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. More isn't better. You don't want gas, bloating, or stomach discomfort. Choose quality chia seeds. I recommend Viva Naturals organic chia seeds because they're pesticide-free and tested for purity. As Dr. Michael Greger says in his book, How Not to Die, it's not just what you eat, but how you eat it that changes everything. Chia seeds are a perfect example of that. So, here's the bottom line. If you want a gentle cleanse and better bowel regularity, go for chia with water. If you want to strengthen your gut bacteria and build long-term gut health, go for chia with yogurt. The best part? You don't have to choose one forever. Use both at different times, depending on what your body needs. Now that you know the right way, I've got to ask, are you Team Chia Water or Team Chia Yogurt? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more holistic health tips, and share this with a friend who needs better digestion. Your gut will thank you.